What is business analysis? A complete guide. Business analysis is the process of identifying the business needs and determining solutions to the problems of the business. It involves a wide range of tasks, techniques, and knowledge to accomplish business requirements.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Even though business analysis is carried out with the same objective, the procedures and practices may differ for different industries. Apart from business solutions, business analysis also helps in improving processes, strategy planning, and policy developments. Most of the time, business analysis solutions are in the form of software products. Even though most business analysts today relate themselves to software development and solutions, business analysis is carried out across organizations, and stakeholders employ them to create business solutions in various industries. What does a business analyst do? A business analyst is a professional who analyzes the organization's domain and documents its business, processes, business model, and integration with technology. There are different role definitions depending on the organization, but the common attributes are the responsibilities attached to the job role. Here are some of the responsibilities of a business analyst. Taking a holistic view of the business system and current situation. This includes the examination of organization structure, staff development, current processes, and IT systems. Initiating improvement plans for business systems and operations. This also includes an examination of the whole organizational structure, resources, and vision. To make sure there is no discord or misalignment between the proposed redesign and the organization's objectives. Analytics and business analysis. Analytics is an important tool used in business analysis, where a large amount of data is procured, studied, and interpreted to drive strategies. Having a statistical backup to the documents is always helpful for a business analyst to communicate better and convince the stakeholders. There are various analytical methods used in business analysis to identify organizational needs, draft requirements, and provide solutions. Here are some of the most commonly used business analysis methods. Descriptive analysis is an analysis of past performance data to study trends and patterns. Predictive analysis is an analytical method to predict the future using the data of the past. Prescriptive analysis is a method of testing different techniques that would give the best outcome.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.